Good morning, everybody. This is David from the Trader, and we're gonna get Marie right back now. Okay, and this is Marie. So yeah, let's see how the market's doing today. This market is looking good. The SPY experienced a 33 times high today, all-time high. So that's pretty cool. But at the same time, hey, take it easy. So, but yeah, market doing good. I don't know if we have any numbers, but we're gonna be checking that shortly. And yeah, how are you doing, Mary, today?
A little tired, but good. Oh my God, look at this.
Which one is that one?
AVDX.
AVDX,
my
okay.
God. Okay.
Oh my gosh. So what price?
Here we go. Seems like we've got a pop from the market.
Yeah.
Excuse
And
me. It would seem that I've got a frog.
in your throat?
See.
So yeah, let's see how this guy wants to do 21. 91.00, okay. All right. So Mary, do you have any trade idea right now?
Right now I'm looking at, excuse me, TMC.
TMC? Yeah, I see that in Bloomberg they were talking about that today, this morning.
And what were they saying?
I didn't pay much attention. I think it was a liquidity comment probably. And like, yeah.
Look at SPY.
Look at SPY, yeah, look at SPY. Let's look at SPY. So I add to my trade on Nvidia. I'm probably gonna be wrong in there, but we're gonna see. Like whatever it wants to do. And as I say, that's a trade that I was telling to Marie, we give it a shot. If it doesn't work, we take our out loss and we walk away.
Okay.
And then we wait for whatever is going to happen. Okay, the SOFR is already out at this point, so that's good. It doesn't reflect it there. But we don't have to, we don't seem to be wrong right now, so this trade is manifesting itself. We're gonna just wait. He's putting a lot of heat there because he's trying to hold the moving average, but is he gonna be able to hold the moving average? So another one that got there was American Airlines. So we wanna go American Airlines short right now. I should put my orders instead of being so sleepy. Yeah, that was a easy, it was right. Rigetti. So let's look at Rigetti. Rigetti, where are you now? Rigetti. All right, we want to go long in this bad boy. There we go. We took a long on Rigetti right now. All right, I got something else. What did I got? Tesla. I got Tesla short, Rigetti long, Nvidia short. This is gonna have to put a lot of attention on this. So NVDA, I'm gonna put those orders because it's not true that I'm gonna be that efficient. So 193.50, and what I wanna do at that price is that I want to liquidate. Actually, I have to specify that this is a stop loss order. $193.52. There we go. So I have my stop loss, but everything is working so well right now that I have not much to do. So thank you, my guy. Did you see all that thing?
What?
All my positions are green for good.
Wow.
Like, but it's just like what I did. That thing.
Wow.
Like look,
That was
look at
great
Rigetti.
homework.
Look at Rigetti. Oh my God. All right, so let's not be too sleepy on that one. So Rigetti.
Nicely
So let's start.
done.
So I'm breaking even on Rigetti already. Why that didn't work? Okay, I got you. Yeah. Okay, so Rigetti, we're gonna have to. That didn't took the partial. It's very annoying, but it's okay. We're gonna take it for more.
Hey, now it's working.
Yep. But look at this process. Now it's NVIDIA. And NVIDIA, I have to keep looking at it. Look at the tape. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness, this is so predictable that it's a little bit annoying. Tesla, I have to watch
Good
out, but
job, baby.
Tesla is the one I have to watch out because what it can go. But so on Rigetti, we're gonna reload it if we can. But yeah, let's not be too happy about it. It's just like, just keep it working. Right now, the only thing we are able to trade will be Tesla and NVIDIA if I want to really take a trade based on my strategy. But this thing is not making any noise. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Do we want it to make noise or not? I don't know. Rigetti, with Rigetti, we're gonna take another partial very soon. That guy can go to $48. Am I correct about that?
He was DI.
48.19.
Correct. The pre-market high yesterday.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, Tesla is the one I have to watch out because that Tesla, I probably want to be out of that Tesla. So Tesla have 1, 2, yeah, Tesla I want to be out of Tesla. And does that mean I want to look low on Tesla? What is the price? Tesla, 330, 316. We are right there actually. I shouldn't be freaking out on that one. Like, it will have to do way more than that for you to prove me wrong. It's not looking like. Okay, Rigetti. Oh my gosh, Rigetti. What are you trading, Marie?
TMC.
TNC. I love the move on TNC normally because but oh my god, that's going very low. You see, for example, that's one that now, like, because I hear it in the news when I was listening to the news, like at 6 p.m. I can go and do this process with it, like, and that's like I kind of okay, I would like to take a trade or not on it.
Okay.
Rigetti, is there such a thing as saying like that's a fantastic trick? No.
Here comes the money.
This thing have $4 more to go high? Is that right? I don't think that's correct, but
I'll have to check it out.
who am I to say where it's gonna go? No, it's okay. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So, okay, you have to make noise, my guy, because I cannot keep turning like that just because there is nothing to look at. Like right now, it's saying, you see Tesla is confirming like, oh, you're right, my guy, stay there. But the rest, like, why will I take a trade on anything there? That's what I'm saying. Like
Yeah.
when we look at the big spectrum, you and I know very clear at what price we want to go in, and like that's why I say like this is telling me right now there is no trade that you wanna. At least the job I did because I
Okay.
can, if I work a little bit harder on it or longer, I can definitely get it. But yeah, Nvidia. Do I wanna add to Nvidia? It might be wrong, but I'm gonna add to Nvidia. Let's see. I still just say wanna risk. We're gonna be laughing at it even if we get us out. But I'm gonna add that the price is supposed to retest,
Okay.
and then let's see if it's really gonna retest or not that price. Rigetti, just because of the potential of the trade on Rigetti,
Mm-hmm.
I am not adding to Rigetti. I'm gonna be breaking even. I just have a 25% of that position in there. But if I am correct, he have about 40, like about 4 to 3 dollars and 20 cents, something like that to go. So is the market providing for Rigetti to go that high? I don't think so. But yeah, like Tesla, amazing Tesla, amazing Tesla. If Tesla wouldn't be that expensive, I would be adding. But like, it's just and at the same time, like I mean, do I want to absorb a $3 risk?
Okay, so Rigetti's doing the Rigetti move. The issue is that,
Did you see my entry in Rigetti?
let me guess, 43.
43.08.
Hey!
Because the level is not at 43. The level is at 43.13.
So look at my TMC. You know what price I got?
Oh my gosh!
That.
You got the tail on that one. She have TSM.
And I got it
It's a
at
TSM.
920. TMS.
TMS.
Sorry, TMC, my God.
TMC.
We're gonna get it.
Yeah, okay. I was looking at something. You gave me a different ticket before, or
I probably said it wrong. I just said it wrong twice.
yeah, like so she got the tail, like this entry here, like this is fantastic. So, did Nvidia add to my trade? Oh my gosh, Tesla, where are you going, Tesla? Where are you going? Like, why are you dripping so much, my guy? Like, you are a big guy. So, NVDA right here, just to be able to look at NVDA. That's incorrect. No, that is correct. Okay. Yeah, Nvidia. What happened on Nvidia is that it add to my trade. That's why they like now I have a full position on NVDA. And as I say, once that we are out of Nvidia, we don't want to fight it because we have no reason to go short more than this is a suggestion. You can go short from here and it may work. And that's it for Nvidia, as I say. So we're gonna take a little bit of on Tesla. Tesla TNC going down, Tesla going down. So there we go. We're gonna.
just losing it.
Here comes the money. Here comes the money.
Here comes the money.
That's gonna be good because that's gonna provide some
What the spy?
some loans at some point. But are we there yet? Are you there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are you there yet?
Are we there yet?
RGTI, as I say, not adding to RGTI. I just want to see if it really have the juice to go that high. So okay, so
So
like,
did we check if we had news?
yeah, no, we didn't. We didn't check. Lack of discipline.
Oh no, hey, we're late a little there this morning
I wasn't late.
Because-
You either. Like, I mean,
because of
no, I disagree. I 100% disagree. Like, I because what happened, I did, like, we did the job before, and whatever later we said here, we have most of the job done already, so
I love it.
it's,
What's going on with Spy? 572.63. Okay, so we could be close to the bottom there.
All right, so the Rigetti is pulling back quite a lot. Nvidia is coming back up, probably gonna get me out soon. But do I want to take a loss on Nvidia, knowing that it has certain potential to go to 200? Though, like, let's look at the tape instead of me talking just like that, because I think it's the best to do, just to see if you are correct about that one or not. So right now in Nvidia there is a lot going on that tape. You can see the 92 here being bit quite heavy right now. I think we want to run away. If you see this thing moving back up, that's not a good sign. There we go. Get me out. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna stay on the tray, and the reason why I'm going to stay on the tray is because if we ever attempt to break the 92, that's gonna be trouble for Nvidia toward the downside. But I don't think so. I think we're gonna run away from that, and that's what they are actually trying to do here. Like, yeah, to scare those. Yeah, it's okay. You're not scaring anybody. You're just saying whatever you wanna do. You are being very loud right now. Like, yeah, no, look at the stacking on the 92. The stacking on 92 on Nvidia is insane right now. So if that doesn't skyrocket the stock toward 93 something, maybe 93.50, I don't know what would do it. So if we break through that, like, it's okay. So yeah, let's watch that out and see. I should be more patient when I add on this one, but I'm talking about Nvidia basically here. Yeah, Nvidia got me out, and there we go. That's what I'm saying. Like, what is the problem I have here? That I didn't flip, and I had the signal to flip, but it didn't sound. Got it.
672 for SPY seems to be. We will see what it's going to do there.
Right. So yeah, as I say, it's a trade that you don't want to hit again. You know, follow your plan. Nvidia wants to go higher today. So where do I want to go long on Nvidia? It's not a short. It's not a short. Don't take the short. It's not a short. Just look at the guys at 92. They are bragging a lot about that one. You know, like, I mean, it's like, if they are, if it's anything like that, like, that's a lot of sizes for it to be just like flashing up right there. It's saying something, but like, what is a SPY doing?
Yeah, I've got trouble holding, so I'm going to.
Yeah. Okay, ooh. I hear you. I said, well, what are you talking about? I got you. Yeah, got you.
Yeah, that's just too much for this one.
You know what? Now you won't get me, yeah? Yeah, I took a short on him. Like, it's not the right thing to do.
So if it's not the right thing to do, why are you doing it?
Because it's
me.
struggling. And there is a seller, and yeah, like a 94. Yeah, it's yeah, it's just not justifiable, so it's okay. We're gonna work on that. But like, yeah, the reason for, like, at that spot where I am trading in BDA right now, yeah, it's the heat.
Okay.
No, that's not. Yes? Probably yes.
I'm really sorry for my throat and my.
Do you have your water? There is
yeah, I've
anything
got
I
my
can.
water and my coffee, but it's just I'm sure it could be annoying for people listening, so I do apologize.
Yeah, sorry, Marie.
I've
Sorry
got
for
honey
you.
in my coffee, hoping that it's going to soften,
Yeah.
but
Normally, honey will help that thing.
yeah.
Yeah, what I was saying is that like what is going on in Nvidia is like I am trading it blindly there because there is no historical data what it is right now. Nvidia is all-time high right now. So and
So
like
it's
I can see on the tape that the seller at 94 was there.
okay.
That's why like I jump in at 93.50 because I thought that he was like look at the 92. Like 92 is there and they are flashing. So I think he want to go to 92 at some point, but if not, right now he have probably met his intentions, which is distract people with that size in there and make them believe that at some point it's gonna go to 92. Can he go to 92? Yes. Are the probabilities on your side? No. Yeah, look at the Nvidia. I'm going short, right? It's just a regular R risk, but as I say, that doesn't justify it. It's just
Yeah, 95 is just wow.
yeah, but it's like it's, there we go. I'm out of,
95 on both tapes could be enough to just.
all right. So leave Nvidia quiet. That was just a shot because I can afford it, but like it makes no sense. So let it go wherever he wants to go. So Rigetti doing very good. Tesla, I'm gonna be adding to Tesla basically right now whatever I remove. Why? Because it doesn't have juice to go higher right now for whatever reason I want to say that. So Rigetti, we should be taking another partial on Rigetti. But like I have little shares on Rigetti, so yeah, that's the right thing to do and we're gonna do it. So, and 3, 2, 1, go for
Wow.
it. Go higher. Go higher. Higher.
What a pull on SPY. So remember I said 672 should be the bottom? We'll see.
672.
Mm.
Okay, you know what? In the next push toward the upside, I'm gonna be all out of Rigetti. Too close to the sun to.
At
To not-
45?
Yeah, 47. I'm going at 40 what? Rigetti is at 46.82.
Wow.
47, and there we go.
Oh, don't get out.
I got all out.
So,
Yeah, the market is not providing the juice for that.
that makes sense.
The market is just not there right now. You know?
The conditions aren't there.
Yeah, so like I know it can go 48.19.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't like. I actually gonna do the opposite of that. I gonna go short, but like I am not jumping short now. I gonna put my order diligently at the price I say, which is 48.19.
Okay.
So Rigetti at 48, 40, 48. Let's run it a bit. 48.16.
Okay, so it's at 672 now. SPY. Seems like it's going through and it's being eaten up. Wow.
All right, we are back. Yeah, I have no trades. I am looking at those things, and like, there is just nothing I can trade right now. Rigetti, I was happy I came out of it at the price I came out. Tesla, I add to Tesla whatever I remove at the bottom.
Okay.
And now I'm dreaming on Tesla that it's gonna go to $425, which is not nice, but I think it can go there.
It's
So
still nice.
it's nice for my short. It's not nice because I have a long-term position on that thing, and I kind of don't like it pulling back like that, you know. And
Excuse me.
Nvidia was a mistake to go out of the trade, but if you have no play there, because if I am going to take a trade on Nvidia, it has to be a long.
Okay.
So at that price, I cannot take a short. Well, I'm
Did it
gonna
get to 195?
yes, 195.30.
Okay. And what is it doing there?
It's being funny, and
I was going to say it should be funny there.
yeah, it's being funny there. That's for sure. So I'm gonna put a half of a position at 193. And the reason for that is because first, yes, he can go there, and secondly, it's like it's a long, it's not a short. So because I have no reason to take shorts anymore on it, willing to take a little long in there and leave it enough space that it will move and do whatever it wants to do. So Tesla unable to make a lower low. That's not good for my short in there, but we're gonna be, yeah, we shouldn't be concerned yet on Tesla. There we go. Killing me softly with this song. So I have a short for everything. It's just none of the trades are doable right now.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
When you say doable.
Yeah, when I say doable, it means none of them are at a price that I consider good,
Okay.
and because of that, is I have been like, yeah, right now I only have Tesla, and like
Okay.
it's close to say, you know what, you have to pay more attention or you need to get out. Get out is not there yet, but to pay more attention is very close.
Okay.
But yeah, is it gonna manifest or not? Like Nvidia, I just miss like, so and it's okay. Like
You mean sweat?
I miss a trade on Nvidia, but like I just don't want to jump on it without having a clear idea. So this thing's supposed to have. It should be nice if it has a proximity bar on it, but it doesn't have a proximity bar on it. I think that's a trade idea. We used to have a proximity bar on it, but
Proximity.
yeah,
I
it's
don't remember that having that.
well, I never use it this way. Like, but yes, it does have like it does have it. Like it's a bar that tell you, like
How
you know
close it is.
how close it is to those. And right now, like we cannot see which of them are close because it just doesn't say it.
And there's no percentage.
No. So I couldn't get what I want on Nvidia. I'm gonna try to get something I kind of. It's a quarter of a position instead of a half of a position. I was trying to get half. Now I'm trying to get a quarter. Why? Because I miss it, and I am trying to catch it. Like I think he probably wants to go to 200, and if we go to 200 even with a quarter of a position, it should do good. Yeah, you see what I mean? The only one that say yes here is NVDA.
Nothing else.
Nothing else say yes. They were saying yes, and that's why I take them, because they went there, but they are not there anymore. All right. What are you trading, Marie?
Still TMC.
TCM.
Oh my God.
Okay.
No, TMC.
TSM.
TMC. I had it right the first time. So you're the one that's...
TNC.
There we go. Okay,
my
good.
gosh. These people don't know how to speak English. What's up, Larry? How are you doing? I know you said it a couple minutes ago, but
Hola,
we were
Barry.
busy.
My girl.
Busy. Marie's girls. Right, I got NVIDIA. Very little as I
That is
say.
my girl.
Yes, she is. I give it to you. Look at the size that is at 9425 on NVIDIA. What are you doing there, my guy? Zach is not there right today. I thought that he was going to be there. I just don't know. Yeah, no, he's not there. Okay. Later than hour. Okay, no, he's not there. Good. Yeah, he told me he was kind of busy.
Yeah, he was going to
Cool
be, he
things.
wasn't sure, right?
So if NVIDIA tests the VWAP, I'm gonna add a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna test the VWAP because the VWAP. So what do we have right now? Let's see. This is Tesla, which is looking the way it's supposed to be looking to me. So NVIDIA, yeah, crazy NVIDIA. What else do I need that I have? Rigetti. Do I want to reload Rigetti? Probably that's a no. I don't want to reload Rigetti.
No?
The only thing I see right now. Yeah, I don't have that patience. That's not true. So AMD. Oh, AMD short. Why didn't you ring out?
No alarm.
No alarm. AMD is a short right now. When I say right now, I have to really look at it instead of just saying right now, because more people might be watching you and you don't want to misguide them. So watch out, my guy, with what you say. So the price that I have to actually adjust it because as it was executed at the open, it had it add volume to it. So that will be 236. And we actually don't want to go short. We want to go long on AMD. 236.02, and we have a regular stop loss for that one. Let's see if it will manifest or not. So Tesla, I should be taking partial on Tesla. So let's see. If I have AMD, why that one didn't ring? 235.77. Yeah, you see there is a mistake that I made. So if it is bigger or equal to 235.77, I want you to let me know. And now it's a yes. There we go. There we go. And why I go long in that instead of going short? Because there is nothing stopping it from going to 250. Ay, mama. Like, how is that possible? we have so much uncertainty in the market, and like this is how it is doing. No, it's just like I gotta put it in perspective here. Like if you see how slim is that volume, how lean is that volume, like little volume. This is the volume when it was struggling here. The struggling volume,
And look how small it is.
like this here, is when it pop up 34% or 37, whatever. And look now that it's above the high that he put the other days. Look at what it is.
Wow.
That's what I'm trying to go through, because there is nothing stopping it from going there. But
Wow.
like it's already moving without me. It's going without me, and that's okay too. So I just, if you told me ahead, I probably will see it. What are you trading, Marie?
TMC.
The same thing? I have it there yet. I actually, TMC, let me just put that thing in a place that I can see. For me to know, mistake that name again, because Marie's gonna kill me. TMC.
No, I won't kill you.
What happened is that that's not what I was like the name I hear in the news this morning, and the one I was talking about
Oh,
liquidity.
it wasn't TMC.
TSM, which is $300. It went to 300.
That
Oh,
makes
5, something like that.
sense.
Okay, Calamardon. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna get the AMD very shortly. And no need to rush it, my guy. It's a price. You want the price or you don't want it. You got the price. Again, just in AMD, even Nvidia is not doing that. I have $1 stop loss on AMD,
Okay.
and it seems to be very wrong. Like because of the volatility, yeah, it is very wrong. It's going through it like nothing.
Really?
Yeah. So I don't know if the book is wrong on that one, but it's something that we have to look for. Yeah, AMD is gonna get me out just right now. Right there, you got me out. That's, as I say, wrong. So now I'm gonna go the other way, but with a quarter of a position, as I say. That was totally wrong. The stop loss of $1 there is wrong, and it was wrong. So, and I have 34.57. Yeah, what I'm saying is like you take the trade and like, because we have a preset hotkey which is 15 cents, 50 cents, 10 cents, and
Okay.
$1. And like I am giving it the worst case scenario, which is $1 stop loss, and the volatility is so high that it just crushed it. So the $1.
Wow. Well, if it's able to move, what, $60 and when...
But that was only when the market was closed. In the reality, it's less than that. But like when the market is open, it's less than that. It's $13 what he could do. Like yesterday, he did that. And yeah, let's see. Today, the party should be going on Nvidia today, in my opinion, not in AMD. So AMD should have some pain for a little bit. Not because they are doing good. They are doing fantastic. It's just that volume is unsustainable in everything, so that's why it will shift from AMD to Nvidia and from Nvidia to AMD.
Okay.
That's why you see one day Nvidia going higher and AMD going lower, and the opposite another day.
Okay.
which still imply that we are in a bullish market.
So they're dancing.
They are dancing. It's like it's good that you actually, for whatever I was going to say, is the right word. The dancing. Like I don't know if people watch this movie. I think it's called Margin Call. It's Margin Call because it's not The Big Short. It's called Margin Call,
Okay.
and it's a movie about trading and the big boss, the guy that was making everything about that fund and whatever, like the one that was the owner of the business in the he went like and he say, hey, yeah, you keep dancing until the music stop. So the market shouldn't be going higher, but it's going higher. You keep going higher with it until it proves you that it's no wanting to dance anymore.
Makes
So,
sense.
sounds a little bit simplistic, but I catch the idea. So AMD is coming back on those. It's not coming back to the prices that is suggesting I should be going long, because that price is 235.77 and it's 235.06, 235.50. Is having trouble exactly at that price. So probably the right thing to do there is just to add, because like again, like the feeling I have of those trades is to not force them only. Like why I mean to not force it is like the volume that is on AMD in both directions. Of course, right now, if I have a strong suggestion, that like if I have a suggestion for my AMD, the volume is saying it's a long.
Okay.
It says a long, but like what I'm saying here is that if the market, let's say SPY, if SPY is not gonna be holding, Nasdaq is not gonna be holding that good, it also doesn't have the one that is suggesting is a long. They are not as strong, and they are not that big. So
And 671.70. And these again, I just want to put down. So if you're looking at this, David, the line
In
on
TSM?
SPY, no, the line on SPY, the levels on SPY that's there is.
that's a previous level.
That's a previous level. Because what I do at the end of my days when we shut down trading is I put levels. I put them at the highest either reversal or at the biggest volume that we've had.
Okay.
And I put those levels there. And funny enough, it seems like I'm not the only one doing it. Because people are paying attention to those levels.
Well, I don't think you are the only one, and that's why it works.
Yeah, that people are. Okay.
So I add a little bit more to AMD. Now stop loss got reduced to half, but it's still like a $2 stop loss, not a $1, $2 stop loss. Reason being, it have been proven that it doesn't want to trade above 235.77 for now.
For now.
Yeah,
Great. What's the tape saying, bro?
the tape is saying
Also
that
not
they're patiently buying, and that patiently buying is happening at 234. And but I think if we go to 234, it's gonna be looking distinct.
Okay.
Right now it went to 233. The volume on the selling is definitely smaller than the volume in the buying. But the question any buyer should be asking right now, any buyer should be asking on this is the buyer coming back? Like we see how he went all the way up, like we are talking about $50, I think it was, I don't remember. And then like for 2 days stay under the water, making people believe that, you know what, we are not gonna go back up in there. Went back up in there, break the high. Right now it's trading above those highs that I am describing. So is he gonna 2 days buying, 1 day buy, 2 sell, and then 2 more sell, then 1 buy, or how are we playing this one? You know, that's the question basically. Like, And I won't fool myself. You know what I mean by I won't fool myself.
You're talking AMD, right?
AMD, yeah, that was AMD. So I'm gonna put my stop loss on AMD like that because I didn't have it. I was hands on the wheel, but
You
like
saw the double shield at 234, yeah.
yeah, but yeah, like what I'm saying, like normally, you know, like I when I don't put the stop loss is when I do questionable things. So right now 236.85. That's my stop loss. And I wanna buy it there. Stop loss for AMD is right there. If you want to play chicken with somebody, you can play chicken, but for now. I add a little bit to Nvidia as well, and let's put that stop loss as well. How is that? How is that TMC doing?
Not much.
Not much.
No.
So let's see. Nvidia is going down right now, so not looking good.
SPY is still interacting around that level. 671.70. Yeah, the RSI on SPY at 671.40 really took a dive. There.
Which one?
On SPY at
Uh-huh.
671.40.
Looking interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Probably no trades for the software today, but we will see. Because it doesn't meet the conditions today, and I don't
Okay.
think it will meet it for the whole day.
Really? Eh?
Which is good because it will allow the market to really pull back before taking a trade.
Okay.
So AMD is gonna get me out very soon. So okay, right now everything's going back up. I don't know how much AMD moved against me, but like I know it moved a lot. It almost got me out. It didn't get me out. I don't know by how much. That's what I'm trying to ask myself there. Okay. That's interesting.
What is?
AMD, like, yeah, you hear me saying, like, all the buyers should be asking, like, are the buyers going to step in now when it goes in because Nvidia have the hype that it have? And up to now, they have not, like, they are not looking like if it's gonna. But you can get me out, that's not for sure. Even if the idea work, my price on AMD is not the best.
What is it? 234 something?
234.84.
Okay.
really can go higher than that. But yeah. But the part that I mentioned that I was a little bit correct about is that the momentum in the buying is not there right now. Though the RSI is climbing back up, if that have any value for you, because I know you look at the RSI. Your trade is holding the pre-market low, I see. Your TMC.
Yep.
Let's make
I don't know if it's going
tricky
to be for
questions
long.
about that one.
Okay, so now we've got 9. No,
Today is Thursday, right?
correct.
Correct, my friend. Correct.
Correct.
So TMC. Takunzi.
Take 'em.
Now I know from where the name come because like my snowblower, the engine is Takunzi, like Takensi, whatever you call that thing. And like
Is it?
yeah, it is. What is that with that? But now I know it's it was like a general, I think.
Hmm.
Yeah, Mary, your tray, you don't see it, and I'm gonna be like, you don't see it pulling back to 915 in your book, or yes?
With
915?
the tape that we have right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it seems to be wanting to go to 915.
If it goes to 9:15, it's gonna go to 9. There's a position at 9.
TMC, I'm gonna take a trade actually on it. Okay. Oh yeah, that yeah. Would you mind to give me some info on that one? Like, what is that tape for you? Like,
Right now,
basically, like,
what
why
it's
is that
not
trade
doing,
attractive?
it's not doing a lower low. So right now, what I'm seeing in my position, it's a full trade that I have at this moment. So when it's going to pop, I'm expecting it to go to 1010. No more than that, seeing what the volume can be at that point.
Oh.
So right now, it's really, like you said, holding the low and consolidating heavily between 950 and 940.
Okay. I just have a trade that I have to take care of.
Oh yes, please.
Right.
Having a good day, trading day, Davy.
Well, I'm messing it up a bit.
Oh.
Yeah. That's why I have the problem. I got it.
What problem?
Um,
Oh, geez, what?
what is that, Marie? I say, what is going on? I don't get it, you know? And I say, okay.
Wow.
Here comes the money. Money,
That's really incredible. Wow. At the end of the week.
I forgot about that order because I just dropped it off there. That was cool.
That was
one of the
cool.
coolest things that have happened.
No shit. That's beautiful.
Delta is gonna get me out, and like I think I'm right about Delta. It's just yeah. Let's see. It's gonna get me out. Yeah, there we go. We're out of Delta. I should be more aware of that one.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So I would like to get Delta back. It's just no. How would I do that? Like I clearly had a wrong stop loss. That's a for sure.
Okay.
So Delta Airline. Okay, I got the same one, the same thing, and less shares, but now let's put the stop loss. It shouldn't make a lower low at all. So half an hour risk in that one. Normal size, but half a risk. So and Rigetti. What did I do in Rigetti? That was I had to Rigetti to the short. And why did I do that? Because I will have to break the high, which the quality of the bounce was by the penny. And for it to get me out, it will have to break the high. And because of that, I say, you know what? We can abuse this position a little bit. Because if I just reload before it moves too much, right at what and look what it's doing. It's just I remove here. Sorry, I have a cursor here that I can use. So I remove right here, and what I say, if I add right after my stop loss, original stop loss, a 1 hour stop loss, it's still gonna be above that. So I say, what is the quality of the bounce there? Dead on. What do we want to do when the quality of the bounce is that good? We want to get the best of them, you know, and the best of them is what is happening right now.
Great awareness, Davey.
So,
High clarity.
but yeah, probably, yeah, it's just now we could be trading. Well, Nvidia, we had it yet. Yeah, we had Nvidia yet. We have Nvidia yet. We have Delta. We can have American Airlines, but
Yeah, I
that
almost
one.
need to put my ears on. Why is it pulling back so much?
Yeah, American Airlines. There is a long on American Airlines, I think, right now. But that one I am not taking it. Oh yeah, there is a long in American Airlines right now. We're gonna be nimble on that one. We have no intentions of It's like if I don't have those names on my list or what is it? So American Airline and Delta Airline. So where are you guys that I don't see you? You're supposed to be way up there.
Yeah, Delta for me is
Oh, yeah,
top trading Arvo.
I have it repeated 3 times now because I added again. No, now I erase it, so I have one American line. Why is Delta not there? Delta I had it repeated too. So I just need to scroll down.
Okay.
So that's it. So Delta looking good. Rigetti, Murray. Oh my goodness! What? Look at Rigetti.
What's the price of Rigetti? Yeah, Rigetti doing Rigetti.
It's breaking my head right now. Let's talk about good trading, my guy. You know.
That's beautiful.
So this is Rigetti and that is Rigetti. Drop it there.
Okay.
Why you are not working? It's the second time it happened, and I am pressing the right key. So
That's.
let's say
You
auto
might have
fit.
a missing update because I have trouble with it.
Probably I have a missing update.
Right?
There we go.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
Ooh, AMD. How come I'm not out of AMD? That's why I am bleeding so much. Alright, that's not nice. That is definitely not nice.
You're funny.
What did I do wrong in there?
The stop loss?
Yes, but it's okay. I got out of this whatever. So that trade put me red. I have pretty good red, you know. Look at what happened here. I'm long. I got out of the long. I got short. The order here was bigger than what it's supposed to be, like than what I actually had, and like it just flipped my position at where I want to be stop out. So and that's why it's
And that's what it is, eh? When we're trading, it's so difficult, and you said it too. It's hard when you trade stock that doesn't have any historical level. They're out, right? So it's nice
Let's
because
say that,
hey, you don't
yeah.
have any
Out.
limitation. You don't have any limitations where you could get like frig. Hey, let's go blue sky, especially. When
but this one was my mistake. Like I did a mistake.
Okay.
So and that's why it was crappy. So TMC. Madre pendejo. Yes, I did say that. Ah la 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 long.
Oh yeah.
You know what is the funny thing? That with the job I did this morning,
Yeah.
I had so like I it helped me to do my long term things, my long term investment.
Okay.
Why it helped me to do my long term investment? Because like I told you, like I have Tesla now, and like I kind of know, like I am doing very good on Tesla. It's just like is it the best trade? Like I mean, like is my target for Tesla in the long term
Mm-hmm.
gonna be faster than taking any other names that is kind of hot right now, like the same AMD, Nvidia. There is a pending move in Nvidia, and and like, what do I do? Do I wait for Tesla to get to Jamaica, whatever you call that thing in English, Jamaica? That's how you say. How you say Jamaica in English?
What's that?
Jamaica.
The
Jamaica, the country.
The country? Okay, Jamaica.
Jamaica. Okay. Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah. So do I wait for it to get there, or I take something that is a little bit closer? And like, why? Because like, for example, if I put it in perspective, like Tesla went here to 468, a little bit higher than that. I think 472, something like that. And we were, woohoo, yeah, this is doing so good, and blah blah blah. But look at the pullback here, and I like the fact that Tesla is sleeping between the 430, but it's not making more money. You know?
Okay.
So, how much have we talked about here? That we have all the streaming, we have that recorded. Because we have Zach here talking about that, because you hear me. 468 was the best price to be out of Tesla.
Yeah, I remember.
I have
that,
said it
right?
100 times because it's,
Yeah.
it's clear like water. So, yeah, if you go back, you take it at 468, oh my God, reload the trade now. You will be $30 more in favor of your target. So, but yeah, just that. It's just like efficiency is important, you know. And that's why I'm doing like what I'm doing right now with those levels, because Marie called out that I was very inefficient the other day. So she said you have to work on that.
I did not say that.
Oh yeah, you say, are you do your job, or I'm gonna kick your butt and you're gonna be out of my trading floor. I say, okay, I'm sorry, Marie. You know, I was just trying to be nice. And then she say, but you are not here to be nice. You're here to make money. You're here to do your best. And then I say, okay, Marie, I'm sorry. I
Yeah,
apologize.
that sounds like me.
I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I'm gonna do my job a little bit better, because it's not all about gaming and all those things. You have to take care of your shit too, So I'm sorry.
Here comes the money. Money, money.
Okay, the man is insane.
Jala jala.
You are hilarious.
I know I am. Oh my God! Why did I win so small? Did I win small on this guy? Did I win small? No, I went okay. It was just a regular size. Okay.
Yeah.
Tesla, I took a partial on Tesla. That's good, Tesla. Reloaded. Those trades are live trade. Like, I mean, it's not like if we are.
We're doing it live.
Yeah, it's like look at the back data that you are seeing tomorrow. It's freaking nice thing. It's it's just nice. That's it.
Yeah,
There's not much to say about it.
just nice.
I think the TMC is really wanting to go to that 915.
I agree, I'm out of it.
You're out of it, okay?
36.50. 36.50. Yeah. $36.50 and 36
la, 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 la,
is
la.
interesting for INTC. Which one is the biggest level? That's a bounce. So 36 is the bounce level, 36.50 is the support level for INTC.
INTC. Oh, that was another one that I need to do. I'm sorry. I will try to not contaminate your thing. INTC.
So it seems like if I'm looking historically for INTC,
Oof, it's bouncing from there actually.
correct. So we're looking at 3650 is usually, or 51 is the bounce.
Mm-hmm.
And we've got 36, no, 36 is the bounce, 3650 is a consolidate, a support level. So right now it's at 37, but if we're looking at the day, there could be enough to bring it back down to 3650. It's got good volume, but it doesn't have good eyeball.
I'm gonna say this. With Nvidia, I'm just executing my plan. I really don't like that trade.
No?
No, like I mean, I know it has potential, but like right now, like why? Like I say, I have a proper stop loss, so I have the right stop loss for
Okay.
everything. But Nvidia is looking like crap, man. Like I mean, I was saying like, oh no, it's not gonna go to 92. You hear me talking about the flooring that was going on at 92, 182. Well, now it want to print 192. And he print 192.30, and that's why I said, like, I mean, I really don't like that trade. I am holding it just because of me being nice with it, but like,
You're such a nice guy.
no, I mean, like, yeah, for sure. Yeah, like, I don't know if you remember, I was short right here. Like, I was short at 93.63. I say, oh, 94, I say, whatever, it's gonna go to 95. It wake 95, my bad, shame on me here. Because look at that rejection of the 95 right there. That's a short setup. As it is a long setup when you have it there. So it's just like, why am I talking so fast today? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Probably it's because you're trying to accelerate me.
We will see. Like my stop on Nvidia is 91, 95. Like really? That's weird because why? Because I expect the quality of the bounce to be by the penny.
Oy.
So if that quality of the bounce is not by the penny, I don't want it.
By the penny.
AMD, I'm glad I'm out of that. AMD is gonna still steal the show today from Nvidia.
Is it?
Why that signal came off? I don't get it. So this is, we are all right. Delta is beautiful. If you want to take a trade on Delta, it's offering a very clean level right there.
Did the volume drop off?
Yeah. The volume that was actually the volume that is going on in there is at 60 something. It's like 60, between 60 and I'm gonna have to look at the price. But I have that trade from long ago already. So it's just I gave it room. I gave it the regular. Like I am wrong. You know, like don't listen to me. I am
No,
right.
I was gonna take a short at the VWAP. Possibly.
Let's see. I have a strong level on that one. I mark it here too. I think it's 63.89.
I've got 6050. That's got a.
I have 60.13. And yeah, okay. So it's just I got a better price than what I was looking for, and that's why I have been able to survive. But that's why I say ignore myself. Like whatever you say, like
You went long or short?
I am long. But the reason why I'm
Okay.
long is because of what price I was able to get.
Okay.
What I'm saying, your short from your price is as good as my long from, like, because you are saying 60 short or 60 13
60-50?
short.
Short.
Exactly. My entry is 59.40.
Okay.
So that's why I say
So
just
that's $1 in the money there.
yeah, you do you, and like it's gonna be good. Don't listen to this.
Not a clear date.
But like if ever, and there is something wrong in your test, is there? Like, well, in your idea. If I am correct, like if I am correct, the what is wrong in your idea is that
They're
you have
gonna go through the view up.
you have nothing preventing it from going from 60.13 to 62.38. So if you go 62.38, like it's a bunch of dollars against you there. So
And yeah, and the pullback to 58.43 should be okay.
so I went a little bit crazy here at some point. So but that's because I forgot that I had orders open, which right now I have to make sure I don't have orders open, so that I don't want.
That's true.
I see that happening to the guys a lot, like but yeah.
Do they? Yeah.
yeah, they do that eventually.
So you still have 4 trades, Stevie. You're on fire.
One of them is not doing good, which is Nvidia.
Okay.
But I think it did what I say it was going to do. NVDA, let's see. Haha. Oh my goodness. I don't trust it yet, you know. Yeah, it print the low it printed right there was 192.18, something like that apparently.
Okay.
And now it's retesting, which doesn't look like a test, but it is retesting the 200 moving average in the 1 minute. So if that is not a test, I would say you have to go to the VWAP and show a little bit more momentum. And if not, it's gonna go back to 192, because right now what is happening is that though the buyer was quite heavy at 192, it really doesn't know what is going on right there at 192. But I'm pretty sure that if I go Nvidia tape, like this is a Delta Airlines tape, but you will see I'm gonna go Nvidia tape, and I'm pretty sure that the guys are still there at 92. No, they are not there. You see? Okay, so maybe I am even. Yeah, they are there. They are just flashing it. Look at that. Yeah. You see? Look at the 92 here. How it show up and disappear. Show up and disappear. That's illegal for anybody watching. That's non-intentional orders. So those orders are not intent to be filled. It's just intent to misguide the participant. So whatever.
That's not right.
Yeah, that's not right, but you know what it means. Because what it means is like, well, it can do both things, but like normally what it do, hey guy, we're gonna go here, you know, it's gonna go there. It's getting there and they flash it.
People jump in and they just.
Yeah, and then they disappear. Like, oh, but you weren't you buying here? So you see, we are across the VWAP, and like no, we are across the 200, and that's what I say. Now I would like to see some momentum going through. Now that we have buyers supporting, so 192, if you were flashing or not, let's say if I am wrong about that, you flashing in there, well, 93 is trying to hold. And 93, look at how we are going through the offer, and this is just fantastic. Nvidia is super bullish right now. I say I didn't like it, but now I like it a bit more. So let's see what it wants to do. So we're gonna take some partials in Rigetti. Why? Because Rigetti have been just fantastic. Rigetti, and look at me trading those things. We're gonna be all out. It's okay. I got all out of Rigetti. There we go.
Look at you.
Why all out? Because that's the price I will be looking the other way, you know? Delta Airline is still pushing back up. Man, if I have somebody that will do the job I did this morning, like as I say, it's long to do. It's simple to do. It's very simple. Anybody can do it. It's very simple, but like it's just like this thing really. You see the difference today? Like, and that's why I say like it's like, hey man, you just don't take the trade. Don't take the trade. If you don't see a yes there, don't take the trade. Because
love that.
you determined before that you don't want it at another price. So, oh my God. But yeah, Delta Airlines just keep flying. Haha.
Shoot.
Ah, shoot.
Ah, shoot. Very funny.
Haha. Okay, I have to stop doing this. Look at TMC. What was the low of that candle? I wouldn't be able to get it even.
917.
Yeah, even if I had
Yeah, you said 913, right?
no
So it was-
15.
Yeah.
The one that is 13 is 43.13 and it's Rigetti.
Ah, okay.
So, and the reason why I came out of it was because Rigetti was close to 43.13, so I didn't want to be. All right. I think Nvidia is gonna make it there. You know, late, but why I didn't took any partial on Nvidia on Tesla?
Why didn't you?
Because I forgot. No, yeah, for real. It's like I was distracted. So, like right now, Tesla is looking long right now to me. So I could be all out and be happy with whatever I made on it, but from the good to go, I am breaking even. Did I take partial? I think I did take partial on Tesla. Let's see. Yes, I did take partial. Never
You
mind.
did?
Yeah, I did take partial. So I'm gonna be all out of Tesla. It's just it makes no sense to me to hold it now because now I have a different view on it. We are short, though I am like because I am breaking even and I have a good price. I can stay quiet there because I still have other good trades.
Okay.
So you know what? Let's keep it like that for whatever you worst. So. So any good stories, Manny? No good stories for me.
No.
I'm sorry.
We're emptying your pool.
You're emptying your pool?
Emptying your pool.
Your pool. My pool?
My pool.
Didn't you say yours?
My pool.
Your pool, yeah.
Piscina. We're
Piscina.
emptying your pool.
Nice job.
No.
Well, you don't want it to get damaged, you know? But yeah, it's, hey, it was a good run.
Oh, beautiful run. Beautiful run.
You have been the most beautiful run you have ever gonna see.
When I didn't even look at you, and just the way you said it, I turned around and said, "That's what he's going to do." Incredible. We're funny.
Millions of people have seen this thing.
Hey,
You know?
what a beautiful. Yeah. thermal pump, it definitely helped the electricity bill, but it's not
It's powerful.
as powerful as what we have.
But I maybe like instead of me having any opinion, it's a question like, do you think it brought you far enough that it worked price wise?
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh God, yeah.
Because I think not many people are swimming on this
No.
stage.
No. No. And it's just because it's the how do we say? It's the nights that it, like, if it goes below 10 Celsius, it's not very effective. And obviously that's why we made the decision. It's not for the day or me finding it too cold to swim, because I think like I would be able to be a penguin on that one. But it's if the water is not able to maintain its heat at night, in the morning you're getting up and it's like 68 or 70, and on top of that it's 0 outside, so I'm tolerant and good, but not.
Yeah, there is a point that it's
I'm
not enjoyable anymore.
Yeah, you know.
Which is
For
totally
me,
understandable.
it doesn't need to be a like I'm not looking for a polar dip in the morning.
And at the same time, like talking about those stocks and things like I don't know, probably it was not with you, but like I know I have talked with my friends like that I normally talk about stocks and things like, and we were talking about the American Airlines, like and let's say you have American Airlines and you have Delta Airlines, which is the two that up to a certain point I would say they are comparable because of the region where they operate and because of yeah, like maybe I don't know if, like I have a long time without going through the fundamentals of those,
Okay.
but since COVID happened, you see like Delta having or recuperating easier than American Airlines, and like that for sure have things like that's due to factors that that are not in my domain, like I don't understand them necessarily now, or I am just not aware of them. But what I'm saying here, like I have here like I because today both of them pop up because apparently people still keep buying their flights and things like that. People are still spending in those companies. So, sorry about that. But what I say here, I had a trade suggestion here. Like I did my alarm list here, and I have American Airlines and I have Delta, and both of them went to the price I want to go long at the same time. So, when I look at at them now, what is happening here? American Airlines is still there, like. While Delta Airlines is reversing. So if you see Delta Airlines, like that's my entry on Delta Airlines here. Right here, like I took it's a 2 shot for sure. I took a loss here.
Okay.
But then I took it back because I saw it going without me, and I say I'm gonna jump in with the same size, tighter stop loss. But look at American Airlines. It's still like bleeding and going lower. It's actually making a lower of the lower of the day.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm saying. Like we have to have like a certain sense of which stocks in the same sector, in the same model of business, probably are better. Like we have Nvidia and we have AMD. Those two probably are the hardest one. Because the hardest one to determine which one you want to trade when certain conditions happen, for sure, many people will say, of course, Nvidia. But with what, like, of course, like, in my opinion, and this is more like a personal opinion, it's always gonna be Nvidia, and there is a little bit of the fundamental and the longevity of the company and all those things, but it's totally debatable when you see that the pop that AMD put this week. Like AMD just skyrocketed this week and it's just going higher and higher. And like when you look at those things, like for example, and we have to be aware, like though the price is higher on AMD, the actual market value or the actual value of the company is not comparable. The prices doesn't reflect that necessarily. And unless you're Berkshire Hathaway, which never split, you know that, right? So, but yeah, but that's what I say. Like, I mean, those are the two that are harder for me to pick when I want to trade Nvidia instead of AMD. But like, for example, today it was a little bit easy because I saw Nvidia not pulling back as much as AMD. But it doesn't mean that that I got the right one either. It's just like it's a sense that we as traders we have to be developing little by little and say, okay, if I have two apple, which of the two apple I want to eat. So
How did you sleep, David?
very good. What about you?
It shows. I like it. I like it.
And look, everything came back to a no, don't take a trade, don't take a trade. The only thing that is American Online.
And but you don't have American, you've got Delta.
I got Delta, but like I got the trade when it show up here. It show
Okay.
up here, I took it. But right now it's saying you have nothing to do, my guy. You have no trade to jump in right
Just
now.
sit there and enjoy the ride.
The one that is gonna be funny whenever it show up is gonna be PayPal. I have been keeping an eye on PayPal. I don't know why PayPal is showing up, or is showing like spikes of volume lately. And where is the cursor? Okay, there we go. PayPal, and I have it. PayPal here, I think I have. Yeah, I have PayPal. It's actually my first one here.
Okay.
And we are far from getting to the point where we want to trade it. But yeah, looking good as well. Oh my goodness. So I have a holding trade today, and that holding trade is Nvidia. It's half of a position, but it's still Nvidia because I think today is the turn for Nvidia to go and do a kaboom,
Okay.
as AMD did it yesterday. Everybody, I don't know if you see, but like that was anybody that is trading, I think, saw AMD yesterday. So, but yeah, it was crazy move toward the upside. And
Agreed.
so TMC pulling back after doing like, you are still TMC?
I went back in. It got me out. I went back in when I saw this is the move I was looking for.
Mm-hmm.
And it never crossed. It just did a same bottom there at the bottom. But it could be that I am going to be. We'll see what's going to happen at the 9:30.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, Tesla. You remember I say Tesla? I'm breaking even on Tesla. Zero risk on that trade. Like my target on Tesla was 425. 425. It went 426.18, and it put a very nice candles toward the upside. But the reason why I say I'm gonna still hold it there is because there is a interesting level for Tesla, which is at 433.16 and at 432.39. So it for sure can go retest the levels and get me out and then move. But right now it's not trying to go there, so I don't see the momentum of Tesla breaking through those right now.
Okay.
And if it doesn't break through, then you have a chance to really print 425 before going back up. So it's just like probability wise there, I think that makes sense to me. Delta Airline probably running out of juice, but that's one that is promising as well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I should be quiet with yeah. It cleared up. Delta Airline clears up 60.13, actually trading very quiet at 60.21. That is clearly telling me that 62, at least 61 should be doable today. And that would be good. 61. I say that and it went down to 1609. So the level is not clear up yet. So dismiss what I say about Delta Airline. Like I just can trade it the way I'm trading it because I have a good price.
Okay.
But it's very spready at that price. And I don't like it to be spready at that price until it clears up. Why? Because it's a price that is being fought too hard. So once we clear the VWAP, I think it can really move. But right now we are not there yet. You see how we pull back, like just in the previous candle. It's just in the chart it doesn't look like if it's moving that much, but it is moving that much. So it's moving about 10 cents, 5 cents in very easy. So yeah.
Okay.
Is that one that that's one I want to break even to? That make it clear.
You want to break even on that one?
Yeah, I want to break even on that one because if we break through the 60 again, I don't want that trade.
Okay.
So we are breaking even in Delta Airline. We are breaking even on Tesla. And Nvidia is not moving yet, but did Nvidia pull? Yeah, Nvidia almost got me out when it was pulling back. Right now, I just want to hold it too. Nvidia, I am not breaking even, but I am not adding. That might be like that's the way probably I will be calling it that day like that, just by not taking any more trades now that I literally have no reason to take any trade. What about you, Marie? Can you feed us a little bit?
Well, I only took TMC.
Well, we are not wrapping it up yet. It's just like if you have any trade.
No, I'm looking for one right now. I
Mhm.
only took TMC. The second time I took it, I actually took a partial at 9.59 and it went to 9.60. So, but yeah, now I'm looking at it now, but you know, I'm trying to practice, hey, you know, don't look at too many tickets, but
Yeah, I am not helping you with that today because I am.
oh, well, no, you're giving me,
But like, like if he has any value for you, probably. And this is after the process we are doing here. Instead of having like myself, what I find is because like, and this part is thanks to Marie because what I mean, like my biggest trade today, let's see. Yeah, my biggest stock was Rigetti, long and short.
great job, David.
So by going long and short on Rigetti, and I have a very stupid loss on AMD because I did I did a size mistake on AMD. Like if you see here, I lost as much as I make pretty much in Rigetti. I lost it on AMD, and we are still green, man. Like so, it's incredible. So just remove that mistake in there and add it to my P&L, and it's like oof. So,
it
but
would be a good day.
But what I'm saying here is that because of you making me step into those names that I am not comfortable with, what I have been finding, I think, okay, Delta Airline coming back again. Why are you flashing Delta Airline? Like, just go back up. You see, it's flashing there. So it's okay. And AMD as well. All right. So yeah, like what I was saying is because of what Marie do with her stocks, like she trades stocks that I normally don't touch, but lately that have been changing little by little.
Mm-hmm.
So, but by doing that, like when I go and I look at those stocks that I normally don't trade, what I see is that sometimes the setup of the stock is as good as a setup that I will be looking for a Nvidia.
Any other store.
Exactly, any
stock.
other stock.
Any other stuff?
So because of that and what we did today, like what if we just like don't concern about too much about oh I'm trading too many different tickets and blah blah blah, but focusing what is the quality of the setup. Like when I mean what is the quality of the setup, like very easy one here. What is the quality of the bounce of Rigetti? Rigetti. Read that. So what is the quality of the bounce Rigetti at 48.19? It's by depending. So once you see a trade like that, even if you miss the entry and you know that your stop loss is 50 cents or if 20 cents, whatever it is, if your stop loss is able to clear that, jump in the trade, my guy, and let it do whatever it wants to do. You have the quality of the bounce in there that is telling you you were dead on. And by the way, look at what price I came all out. You remember the all out here?
Yep. Boing.
So, but yeah. So
That's beautiful.
that's very interesting thing. You know, it's just
It's extremely interesting that you're able to see that so easily. I love it.
yeah. This name keep pulling back. I am breaking even, as I say, on Delta Airline. If we make a lower low, I gonna be happy with being out of it.
Okay.
In my opinion, if we go 50 cents more down,
Mhm.
it will make a lower low.
Who's that?
Delta Airline. Like right now, I will be like if I didn't have a Delta Airline, I will be
I
wanting
like
to
that
go
too.
long right now. Yeah, I know. It's if you want to hate it more, just look at the American Airline. Which actually was the reason why I was asking you, why are you trading TMC? Because the tape didn't look attractive when I asked you, like, what do you see in there? Well, I said, well, that tape is really ball. I don't know how you say that. Like,
I find that okay, it's already SSR. I can't do it.
you can trade SSR, you know that?
Oh yeah.
It's just you have to use a different stop loss. A different, not stop loss, a different order. Oh no, what am I gonna do now?
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna look for you. So
Wow.
you are still TMC?
No,
Or-
look at the orders on SPY, Davey. In Arca.
SPY. Ooh la la, the 271 at 170, 671.33. Yeah, I keep mispricing things, so that's what happens when you have a disorganization in your head. Oh, look at you. Ah la 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 la. Ah la 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 long.
Good energy today, Davey.
What do you mean by today? I have been giving you good energy the whole week. Today's
Okay.
Thursday. It's 4 days of good energy, and today you say it. Oh my gosh.
So sorry.
Uh,
I.
we are kidding, you know. Maria and I are very close, and we are very comfortable by saying
Oh, for
dumb
sure.
things like that.
Oh, for sure. Eh.
But yeah, like just that sleeping piece make a huge
Oh.
difference, you know.
The sleeping.
It's like I cannot wait for the weekend for me to cut off a little bit more of that caffeine because I have been doing very good the week. Like I mean, I cut the coffee about 50%, and that's why I'm sleeping better. But I'm pretty sure I can do better than that. At some point, I don't want to drink any more coffee.
No, eh?
I just find out how bad it is,
Oh, why did
and
you
like
not try?
at least for me, you know, like it's not bad for. And I love coffee. Like I like the taste of the coffee.
Okay.
But Hey, if it's not letting me sleep, it's not letting me sleep. I'm sorry.
Right? I like that.
By the way, did you see who's gonna be the replacement for Jerome Powell?
No. Is it cool?
He's gonna be back. I'm gonna mute myself. All right, so we are back. Tesla is still doing the thing. Delta Airline pulling back. As I say, I'm breaking even on those names, and the only one I am not breaking even is on Nvidia. But if Nvidia break down, I think Tesla is gonna be just paying back whatever I give away on that one.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like to see Delta Airline back above 60 soon. Because right now it's just not doing that good. I will say that. All right. Yeah. Yeah, Spy's not doing that bad, you know. I put some risk on Delta Airline because of the way it's pulling back. Like for example, Delta Airline here, if you see, I said it was quite spurry here, and probably that's why I pull back the way you pull back. But it's very gently pulling back. So my stop loss, my original stop loss, what represent half an hour. If I take that loss, it will, it will have to break the low of the day, and I have hope, and I think like if I think about it logically, I think it should go higher.
Okay.
So I probably should be adding at my price. I'm still keeping the same stop loss, which then will make it a 1 hour loss instead of a half an hour loss. But let's keep it nimble just to not kill the potential of the trade. What is American? Like that's we're gonna have to go and look at the lager in this one. The lager is saying we're gonna keep going down. Because I was having some hope that this was going to go better for American Online, but it's not.
Okay.
And now the shorts are start to be more attractive. Like Tesla is going down, and yeah, it's okay. It is very clear.
Is it?
Yeah, it is very clear. It's just like yeah, like I'm gonna have to check. Like yeah, everything's good. There's not anything to complain about. Like there is that mistake I made on AMD.
Okay.
That's a big hiccup in there. But we just have to. I just have to pay more attention. Look at you, ARM.
There was a nice imbalance there, so we'll see what we're gonna do with that.
You know what is the cool thing? That this thing also will tell me like when I have to do the job in everything again. Because if
how
you,
is that?
yeah, if you come and you say yes, you have to look at them, and if you are wrong, then like the fact that all of them say yes means that you are wrong. So you have to erase everything and redo them.
Okay. So sometimes.
Yeah, one day we're gonna come and everything gonna say yes. So
Well, that won't be good.
no.
Or it could be good. It could be true.
Yeah,
right?
it's
Wouldn't it happen that?
yeah, like whenever it happen, we just gonna have to go and say, okay, it looks like true. We wanna look at what is in favor. If it is in favor toward, like if it's against your level by clear evidence. Like let's say, if there is a gap that you see that your prices stay behind like by $1, then you know that you're wrong. Like if I look at all of them and then I'm off by a lot, there is no another choice than to, because the volume it get readjusted.
Okay.
So yeah, it's okay. It's just something to look for.
So, because those would only be if the volume,
No,
okay, it would be good at all times, except when it escapes the range too much.
yeah, like the only thing is saying is like those are alert for prices.
Okay.
What happens is that those alerts for prices,
The price can be escaped in both sides,
Exactly,
right?
so-
So they become non-relevant.
like let's say I have an alert here for Nvidia
For the local
at
condition, it would
181.
become,
What value does 191 have if Nvidia is at 180? No.
or AMD at 200 if it's at 250,
Exactly,
right? So,
exactly. So that's
yeah,
exactly what I mean.
The local, it escaped the local conditions that you had previously. Makes
Oui,
sense.
patrón. Porque no engraso los ejes. Me llaman abandonado.
Somebody's cutting your grass.
No. It's nice. The neighbor beside, like the one for the new house, he cut the grass for the other two. It's very nice. He have been doing that forever.
For the other
That's
two?
him, yeah.
What you mean?
He cut the grass for his house and he cut the grass for the house beside.
Oh,
It's very sweet.
well, it's not that sweet. It's not doing you.
Ay, 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 Mari.
You know I'm kidding.
I'm not that nice. But I'm glad I'm able to be useful for people. Eventually. If that's what you meant.
You are always useful, baby.
Except when I have a headache.
Yeah, I definitely have one.
You have one today? Ay, ay, ay. If you want any pill, like, let me know. We have some pills. So I know you are not a fan of taking pills, but like, it's just that, you know.
It's just that trying to take care of the organs part.
Yeah, because it really messed up. Like, you know, that's one of the reasons why I avoid taking pills for headaches. Like, yes, you get rid of my headache today, but tomorrow anything I eat get me upside down.
Which makes sense.
Yeah. Like that alcohol thing that we were talking about, like when you have so long without drinking alcohol, you take a little bit like this and you're like, hey, what's up, my guy? How are you doing? You having fun, huh? And then you're like, oh yeah. Yeah,
I'm a cheap date.
huh?
Yeah, I'm a cheap date. Yeah, for me it's been literally over a year.
Yeah,
So
like,
yeah, sometimes I'll just take a sip.
I just think like,
I'll take a sip with somebody and say, "Oh, hey, can I taste?" And holy crap.
yeah, and then you don't miss it anymore.
Like I miss. I will be honest. I do miss the experiment of it. The
Yeah.
experimental or experiential of it, like the food matching or the crazy cocktails and things like that. So I do miss that, the creative and the experimental of it. But besides that, no.
Which you could do at any point because, as I say,
Oh yeah,
you
I
have been,
haven't.
you're very healthy on that matter. Like it's just like, for example, in my case, I have been like kind of even forgetting it. Like like, oh, there is no beers, there is no anything. I haven't been needing them, you know. Like, like what I like. Do I like the flavor of those things? Certain things, yes, I like caffeine. It's the same thing. We're talking about coffee. I say, oof, coffee is really taking my sleep away. But I like how coffee tastes. So if I decide to not take any coffee during like every day, I
You
can
might go-
still wake up Saturdays and take a coffee Saturdays because you know what?
Correct.
It's your weekend
Yeah.
and you like the flavor of it.
Or do like my daughter, like Jen.
Hmm.
She went totally decaf.
There is a problem with decaf that I have been researching a lot. And
Yes, the process they have to go through to remove the caffeine.
yes, so apparently it's worse.
Correct.
Like Rita was the first one that told me that,
Oh,
and
really?
then I like
Go, Rita, go.
there is a healthy way to do it, but basically she will have to do it on her own or get a very specific brand, and it's like they do it with water to the process.
Mm-hmm.
You know that?
Well, they do
Uh,
it with water, or they can do it freeze dried too.
Okay, the freeze dry I never hear about it. Let's say, but like, yeah. So, yeah,
It's more gentle to do it with the water. More expensive though.
Exact-
Not necessarily as good for Mother Nature because it does take a lot of water,
hmm
right? So
yeah. Like that's why I think it's not the most common one.
mm,
So I will be wrapping it up,
absolutely
and
great idea, Davey.
so basically, I have very good day today. Though my P&L right now do not reflect it. Like I mean, I am green and it's good, but it's not as good because I took a huge loss on AMD. And the reason why I took a huge loss on AMD is because thanks God I made that before, like before. But what I'm saying is like the reason why that happened is because I made a mistake with an order. So I put
I remember. You
yeah.
said that
So like I trade a lot of tickets today, and that's gonna be tricky to explain all of them, but we're gonna do our best. Let's see. So let's go in the order of the list. So first, let's get the one that I made the mistake on, which is the AMD. So in AMD, I went long here. That thing didn't work because I had a wrong stop loss, but just because the wrong stop loss was because of I didn't calculate how volatile it was. So I should be going with a quarter here instead of with a full size. So I went full size. $1 stop loss, and that's like $3 in there, I guess. So I got out right here with a 1 hour loss. Then I shorted. I add to the short here, and then I got out here at a 1 hour loss. But here, that order was the one that was wrong, and then it just got me out right here. That wasn't good. So and yeah. So then I took. Like I am very red on AMD, but then I took let's say Delta. At some point I took Delta, so I got long here on Delta, got a loss, got long again, and now I'm holding Delta because I think it's not gonna be able to break the low of the day. But we're gonna have to be careful on that one. So for now it's looking good, but yeah, it's not making much right now. So and then we have Nvidia. In Nvidia here, I went short, pre-market short. That's and it was only half of a size. So short, partial, add to the short, all out. Then I shorted again and took another loss. And here I have like a, I don't know if you call it the epiphany or the jabu or whatever, but like, it's like I don't think it's good price for me to go long, and I went long here, add to the long. But this is a half of a size. So that's why I was able to survive this pullback here, which is still not justifiable. Like I mean, it's better just to get back in later. So right now it's going up and down. Right now it's not doing good. So is it gonna go back up? I don't know. But like it was promising before. Let's see if it manifests a little bit before. Like 93.30, there was a big buyer at 92, 192. but it never went there. It went there, like it went 18 cents from it, and now it's saying we want to go higher, but it's not really happening. So yeah, but good trading on Nvidia as well. It's just like nothing exciting happening right now there. So the biggest trade I took today was Rigetti. I cannot type Rigetti correctly. So man, like this is so nice. It's like I went long here. Partial, all out. No, all out. So long, partial, all out. Short. Look at that entry.
That's like a
Short,
right?
partial, add to the short,
penny.
partial, and all
To
out.
the penny.
So,
That was
oh my
beautiful.
goodness. And like
And okay, can you repeat the ticket's name?
Rigetti. RGDI.
Incredible.
Yeah, a name I don't train normally.
Never.
So, but I didn't feel scared about it. I didn't feel that it was
Very
out of
competent,
control.
very
So-
controlled. The trade was very. I mean, come on, you reversed your position to the penny. How clear was that? That was incredible.
Cool.
Wasn't it?
Yeah, it feels cool.
Oh, hey, come on.
Then I trade Tesla, and this one I still have it. That one have been very good to Tesla. So in Tesla, I have been going only short. So I went short, partial, add to the short, partial, and now I'm dreaming with this going to 425. I could be wrong, but I am breaking even on Tesla. If ever you get me out, I'm okay with that. I'm done with Tesla. It's just if we have some more to give away, I will be happy to take it, But like, yeah, let it do whatever it wants to do. So as I say, good day here, good day yesterday as well. It's just we're gonna have to MacGyver a way to be more and more disciplined. Today I work a lot before 8:30. Before
you
8.
open.
So I spent my morning doing a levels checkup, like I was working on those levels, and I am happy that I did that because it really gave me so many good traits that yeah, it's just it's a good thing. So we're gonna keep working on that, and as I say, the P&L doesn't reflect it today because I did mistakes in the process. It's just the clarity that it provides. Like, I mean, when you say, okay, I know I want to go there. So if you don't see that you have an alert, it's so bad actually that I don't even have to wait for the alert. I can just put the order at those prices
At
that I
those-
am saying.
Exactly.
And then once I get it, then, okay, now
You're
we are
either
printing,
going to
yeah.
be filled or you won't, right?
Yeah,
So-
like the hiccup with putting the alerts before the market open, and this is the tricky part about it, is that you really don't know what is going to happen until the market open. So what happens if it's looking very long, but at the open it just flush, so you get caught in there, And yeah, it's a exercising that we're gonna keep doing, but definitely a good day and definitely a good trading experience. So let's keep it going and let's see how far or how deep is the hole, the rabbit hole. I don't know how you call that thing.
The
So,
rabbit hole?
yeah. So what about you? I know you were trading TMZ,
I was
TMC,
TMC.
not TMZ, because for Canadians, a Z is a Z.
Correct. So I was trading TMC, TMC, which was great. Initially, it was going well. I was taking a couple of partials, so I took it at, as we said this morning. So what price is that? It was at, well, I put in my order, so it's 9.20. So I took it at 9.20. I added at 9.28, added at 9.30. I took a partial at 9.40.
You got a good price, man.
Yeah, freak. I took a partial at 9.35, took another partial at 9.45. I added again at 9.35, and I de-risked. Actually, yeah, I de-risked actually at 9:40. Then I added back at 9:30.
So that trading that she's talking is around before here.
And then I took a 1 hour loss because, like what you were saying, you said, okay, well, you know what, Marie? Oh, actually, no, sorry about that. I took a partial at 9:58. It's almost at the top at 9:60. I missed it by 2 cents. And then I added when it pulled back to the 50, and that was my mistake because then I took another 1 hour and I got out of the trade completely at 9:25. So it's not a big loss, but it is still a loss. Right now I am in ARM. And in ARM, I took it at 169. I might have to take this one.
Yeah, for sure, go for it. All right,
Okay,
we
so
are
I'm
back.
still in
Teresa.
ARM.
Yeah, ARM. Okay,
Yeah,
what is
so
your
I'm ARM.
price?
So I took my 169. So I took it at 169.
You're short.
I'm short.
Look at you.
So I took it short at 169. Then added to the short at 168.75. I took a partial at 167.50. I added back at 168. And right now I'm still in the trade, so we'll see what's going to happen. And yeah. So
That seems to be a
little
good
bit-
one, huh?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not, when I'm looking at the tape and the positions, the tape's not clear. I don't really like that. And right now it seems like, you know, for me, I don't like the fact that the 50 is offering a 50 EMA, a weak EMA is offering that kind of resistance to the trade. To support that kind of support to the trade, sorry, not a resistance. So we'll see if it's going to go through. If it does go through, I'm expecting it to go like the anchor view up and the view up are at exactly the same price, which is 165.99. So I am expecting a pull to there.
Do you think it can go to 162?
Absolutely, the tape, there's a position to 162. there
Yeah,
as
because
well.
that's what I'm seeing there.
Let's
But
hope.
the only
It
thing
would
I
be
see
nice.
is against the float. So like there is a lot of volume supporting before those prices.
Mm-hmm.
So it's unlikely to get there, but it looks like if it could go there at some point.
Mm-hmm. The only concern that I've got with 162, because when I did look at the 162, it doesn't have, 162 does not provide any historical support
Hmm.
or resistance. So, and usually, you know, it should provide. The only thing that it does, if we're looking historically, it's not. But in the local period, the 162 this morning was the pullback to it, right? So a little bit past that, almost 161. So is it possible? Absolutely. We've got somebody that's there. But yeah, let's hope that it's going to go at least to 166.
All right.
And I would like to take. That would be nice to take a little bit of a partial at that level.
Perfecto.
We'll see.
All right. So that's it.
That's it.
All right. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you have fun. I had a lot of fun today. I make a lot of bad jokes. I'm sorry if I say anything wrong, but you know, it's like
No, you.
it was
didn't.
too boring here. Like Marie doesn't have good stories sometimes, so we have to work on that. So, but yeah, we did good. So I hope you have a good one too, and we're gonna be here tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday already, right?
Oh my God, yes.
Like,
The
what
week
the heck?
went so
Like-
quick.
All right, so I hope everybody have a good one. We're gonna see you tomorrow, or you will see us tomorrow, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.